Welcome back, traders. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to another session. Today we are gonna be doing our pre-week forex forecast and review, trading the week of December 28 to January 1st, 2021. Here we go, guys. We are already officially trading the week of January 2021. So I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So let's go. Let's get to work. I want to get to the point. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing, guys, the weekly forecast. So today is just the pre-week, and tomorrow is gonna be the full week. So if you want to join us, make sure you do subscribe if you have not subscribed to our channel. Okay. So one quick disclaimer here, guys, is the following: I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and what? And what? And hundreds of pips. That's what we are here for, okay? So I just wanted to kind of like give you a heads up what we're here for. So we're gonna go ahead and start, guys, with our favorite pairs of the day. So remember, this is the pre-week. This is not the weekly forecast. Tomorrow, Sunday, I will be releasing what is coming the whole entire week. So then we are gonna be meeting on January 4th, reviewing what we are doing today and what we're gonna be doing tomorrow, Sunday. All right. So so far, I just want to congratulate everybody for such an accomplishing an amazing year, and I'm very happy with you guys. But hey, you know, hopefully this 2021 is gonna be the best of the best of the best. So let's go. All right, so here we go. So in here we have Euro GBP. Let me do it in a different way here. Look at here. Look at what our system is letting us know here. It's letting us know the system is on sale. It's selling. But the question that you need to ask yourself all the time is, okay, if Magic Arrow is letting me know the system is selling, what should I do, right? That's the question. Or what is the real-time system doing? So all I care, to be honest, is what is happening in this area here. Let me show you in a different way, right? Let me tell you this. So all I care is what is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's all I care, right? I don't care what happened back data. So look at here, guys. System is giving us a what? It's giving us a PV, right? So that PV is forming. Bear with me. That PV is forming. So I would not say the PV is gonna take off immediately. No, the PV will have to take a break and give us a retracement down. So make what? Make this. You see that green arrow here? This green arrow here letting us know the market is ready to go and bullish. So it's gonna give us a formation of the system, and then finally market. This is the formation that I'm telling you, right? So market's still gonna push down a little bit, then it's gonna do a small PV, and then finally officially we are gonna be looking for a boom sell. So overall here, I think Euro GBP, guys, is selling. It's just not ready to be in the market. But it's up to you guys. I don't think I will be trading this week. If I'm gonna be trading, maybe I will be trading one of the most 3 pairs, and that's it. Because it's a new year, guys. It's time to enjoy the family and not to be in front of the chart. But I want to give you everything here so you can see what the system is doing. All right. So far so good. All right, let's move on. All right, let me go ahead and give you gold. Let me drink some coffee, guys. It's super cold here. 1 second. I'm telling you, it's good. All right, so here we go. I have here gold. So today we're gonna be doing a little bit different. We're gonna be drawing a rectangle box. Pay attention what our system is letting us know here. System, it is selling. You seeing it? Anyway, gold is in a sell movement, guys. So all I'm saying here, look at this PV here. PV didn't do much. This is a buy pullback, right? So the pullback was just playing around, boom, boom, boom. It didn't have the strength to go all the way up. So it retested our previous brothers and sisters here, our magic arrow. So now all I have to say is the market is gonna do a retracement down, right? It's gonna retrace down. It's gonna retrace to our 50 Fibonacci line. From our 50 Fibonacci line, market need to retrace back up, making that drop stronger. So it's not gonna all suddenly boom drop. It may not. But all I'm looking here, once this formation pop in this area here, I'm looking for a sell. Look at that, boom. That's what I'm hitting. In this particular area here, that's what I'm looking for, that drop sell here. Boom, and done, and game over. This is my idea on gold, guys. I think gold it's forming a very, very nice sell position. But I would not premature myself and re-enter immediately. I don't think it's a smart thing to do. I will wait maybe by Monday night about 9:30 a.m. and see what the market is gonna do. But I don't think it's good to pop in on this guy immediately. I will wait. But yeah, look at why I'm putting in this location here, guys. Brothers and sisters, pop in this area. So my job is to see the market to drop and retest the 23.6 Fibonacci line, because it's gonna be in this location here. I like it, but I'm looking for that sell here. I want that sell to pop in this location here. But right now the market is selling. All right, if it did respect this, brothers and sisters here, guys, and here I'm looking for the second brothers and sisters in here, and then market will give us a bullish market. I mean yes, it's gonna drop there, and then market is gonna be a bullish market. But pay attention to gold, guys. Gold also has a really nice formation in here. It may be a buy position for the year of 2021, but we need more data. So just pay attention to this, okay? All right, so let's go to the next one. Let me know, guys, in the comment below if you do have any question. I'm here live with you. All right. If you want to join our multiple time frame, please, the link is below. The website is in there as well. And, I highly recommend everyone to join first the gold membership so you can learn how to trade and so on. And on Wednesday, I'm gonna follow up everything I'm telling you today and what I'm gonna be telling you tomorrow. All right, so make sure you do come in so you can see it. So make sure you guys hit that bell notification and smash the like button, okay, so you can help the algorithm of our channel. So thank you again, and remember that I'm not your financial advisor, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and move on to NCD Canadian. NCD Canadian is sexy, guys. It's sexy. But look at here, NCD Canadian is forming a what? Market is selling, right? It's selling. So market still in the self movement. So see, it didn't have any strength to go bullish. So all I'm saying here is I'm looking for a sell position right on this location here. That's what I'm looking in here, guys. Let me see if I can pull some of the arrows so you can see it. Bear with me. But hopefully everybody is doing great, guys. This is really good. All I'm looking in this location here, guys, is I'm looking for a sell position right in here. Let me make this bigger if I can. I don't know if you can. Nah, you can't. But I'm looking for a sell right in this location here, and boom. But right now, the market, what it's gonna do is gonna still give us a what? Still gonna give us a push back up, confirming that this is not ready yet. So yes, but from here, I'm looking for the drop, guys. Here we go. Let's collect this money in there. That's what I'm planning to do in this location here. I don't know what are you guys doing, to be honest, but this location here is seems very promising, guys. All right. But remember that the market in NCD Canadian is bullish. But pay attention what our multiple radar is letting us know here. All right. Look at that. Everyone is selling. We know the market here is bullish. The trend, the monthly trend is bullish. But this overall here, we're all selling. All right. Once again, guys, the link is below if you want to join us. Make sure you don't forget to smash that like button. All right. All right, let's go to NCD. I'm sorry, EURUSD. EURUSD. I like this pair, guys. I think this pair is in a sell position. I really like it. I think I make this too big. Let me see. Let me bring it up in here. Let me fix this analysis, guy, because I'm looking here for a sell drop, guys, and I like that 78.6 Fibonacci line. So this is what I'm hoping market to do in this location here, guys. I'm looking for the market to continue drop, right? To drop, right? So it's gonna do that drop, boom, retest that 23.6 Fibonacci line. All right, look at this previous touches in here. Boom, 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 boom. So market from this area here is gonna go and give us what? It's gonna retrace back, making that sell stronger. So it's gonna correct, basically. That's what I like this one here. It's gonna correct in here. Market will do that small PV in here. And then once it reaches this area here, guys, I'm looking for this area here, to be honest. This is the area that I'm looking here. All right. So I'm looking for all this area here. Once the area pop in here, I'm looking for what? I'm looking for a sell position right on this area here, and then boom. I really like this pair here. I really like this pair, guys. This sells, it's gorgeous, guys. Look at what it's doing here, guys. Look, head and shoulder, right? Look at what it has here. Shoulder. Look at this head here. Look at what our system is letting us know. Our system is letting us know we're forming in a sell position. And then this is what I call the shoulder to be forming here. And then boom, market will be heading like hammer. And guys, this week by Wednesday, we are gonna be seeing a lot of new formation of the trend. There will be a lot of new bullish and new bearish. Please, guys, you guys had already the multiple time frame on your system. So go back, scan the market and see and pay attention. But this guy here, this is what is gonna happen. Look, monthly is gonna form right in here, guys, and then we're all gonna be doing what? We're all gonna be doing a bullish position. This is very nice, guys. I really like this pair. I don't know if you guys like it, but I love it. This is really nice. Let me see if I can draw it here. But overall, let me type here. I'm looking here for the monthly, guys. Let me do it differently. Let me type here. I'm looking here for the monthly to pop in. Let's put monthly here, because oops. Let's put this on 24. Let's put this on red. I love red. Red is my favorite color. It didn't do it. Monthly. This is what I'm looking here, guys. I'm looking for the monthly to pop in this location here. Then yes, we are looking here for a what? Look, I'm gonna leave this text in here, guys, so you guys can see it. But I'm looking here for a nice sell formation. I really like this one. Pay close attention what the market is gonna do this week. Let's put it in yellow. Yellow, it pop up more, right? Look at this one. Let's put it in here. Oops. let's put a sell here. And then when we're gonna come back on Wednesday, we're gonna reanalyze. Or maybe we're gonna do it on Tuesday, guys. So, because anyway, the market is a holiday season, so we're gonna do it on Tuesday instead of Wednesday, and like that we get it over. But yeah, this is what I think the market is gonna do, guys. Let me know in the comment below. It really, if you do have any question, I'm here live anyway with you. Please guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Anyway, I'm doing a lot of work behind scenes to give you the best of the best content, so I do deserve, if you think I have done a great job, I deserve your like. So but that's all I have, guys. So thank you again for coming in. God bless you, and don't forget to pop in tomorrow. We are gonna be doing our full week, our weekly analysis. So God bless you guys. God bless the United States. Take care, guys.